Have you been prosecuted for a crime that you did not commit? Would you like to know more about bringing a claim for compensation? My name is Andrew Guile. I'm a solicitor and a director at GN Law, and I have specialised in pursuing complaints and compensation claims against the police for the last 20 years. Today I'm going to talk about malicious prosecution claims. In order to succeed in a claim for malicious prosecution, you need to establish the following: that you were prosecuted. You need to have been charged with a criminal offence and taken to court. That the prosecution was determined in your favour. You need to prove that you were acquitted or that the case was discontinued. That the prosecution was brought without reasonable and probable cause. In other words, you need to prove that the officers in question knew that you were innocent or turned a blind eye to evidence that proved or was likely to prove that you were innocent. Lastly, you need to prove that the prosecution was malicious. This final requirement will look at the actions and motivations of the officers involved. It's fair to say that proving malicious prosecution is not easy. Just because you are innocent of a crime and you have been acquitted does not mean that you have been maliciously prosecuted. Most of these types of claim allege malice against police officers. However, it is possible to bring a malicious prosecution claim against an individual if that person knowingly causes you to be arrested and prosecuted with their evidence and their evidence alone. Such cases are complicated, and further detail is beyond the scope of this video. This is just a brief outline of the issues that need to be considered when looking at malicious prosecution claims. I consider the damages a person may receive as a result of such claims in another video. Please take a look at the other videos on this site, as they may answer other questions that you have, or give me or any of my colleagues a call for a free chat to see if we can help. This video is designed to be a brief introduction to the topic that it covers, and we hope you found it useful. It aims to be informative and to assist people to take the next step in solving the legal problem that they may have. This video does not constitute legal advice and does not seek to solve specific legal issues. If you have a specific legal problem that you need solved, you should take expert legal advice from a solicitor.